God. Okay. Shot. Kom, kom jij. Kom hier. We're in the Tioga, Pennsylvania State Forest at our campground, and even though the first station we had was actually incorrect, because it was just a turnaround, we found the right spot this morning, and I think we have arrived in the not so uncool camper area because we had to use low range and the differentials to get up on all the rocks so that we're somewhat level. It is rather steep. And two new things that we modified on our GWagon that I forgot to talk to you about. One thing is those snap-in magnetic blinds or shades. I think that's a German company called Camper Project. So they're very nice. And the other thing that I hadn't talked to you about is our newest addition to the GWagon, which is our bathroom. Where is it, you ask? I'll show you. There we go. Got ourselves a shovel for the Swiss Army shovel holder. And now we can go and do our dirty little deeds without breaking any environmental laws. So I think that's all for now. Now we're going to explore the western trail of the Grand Canyon of Pennsylvania. Not a bad view for the East Coast. So that's as far as I'll dare to go. Let's not be stupid. So obviously once you found your perfect parking spot, you know, that is when you started not very level, but then you leveled it up, the next challenge is getting into the vehicle. So Sybille is going to demonstrate how that's going to work.
Why would it be that difficult? Let's check it out. I mean, it's just a little higher than normal, right? Ta-da! So what's the problem?
I don't know. Yeah, how do you get out?
How do I get out? I just jump out.
Head first?
Not that elegantly, but no problem. So anybody smaller than 5'2", no worries. Got you covered. And Wilbur is still chilling.
So now for some food. Let's cook. Well, this morning, just as we were finishing up breakfast, it started raining, so we packed up quickly. Campsite, good condition. Inside still needs a little tidying, but almost done. And then we're ready to hit the next campsite in another state forest that I forgot, but Sybille will tell me which one to visit.
Fun park. Unfortunately, it's drizzling this morning, but it's easier than in.
So we arrived at our campsite at Bald Eagle State Forrest, but yeah, no bald eagles, but looks like the rain is not letting up. So we took shelter. You can see Wilbur guarding the fridge, and we're contemplating, shall we stay a night? But it looks like the weather is not going to clear up tomorrow either. Or are we gonna head home because it's... We'll make a decision maybe in the next 10 minutes on what to do.
Or we need to return.
Got us distracted. Wilbur. Wilbur. Hmm? Luckily we decided to stay put, and a little bit after we shot the previous video, the rain stopped and we actually got a couple of rays of sunshine. We did a long walk up and down that access road here. And so we decided to stay here for the night, and now we're gonna cook. So tonight we're gonna have spaghetti with speck from Aldi and Parmesan. let's see. It's somewhat. Oh, and there's the spec, by the way.
It's basically Dirk's Killer Carbonara
Yeah,
camping style.
we'll see.
No egg.
No egg. No pancetta. That's spec.
Not that we have eggs.
I'm gonna give it a little pasta water so it stays moist, but not too much, so it doesn't become Parmesan soup. And at home, I've got that down. Out here, all bets are off. So we'll see.
No help.
All good. This Parmesan that we grated on Sunday night before we left on Monday.
In a Thermomix.
And Thermomix, yeah. Unfortunately, we don't have a Thermomix in the pool. Now for the spec. Throw that some in.
Oh, so perfectly separated. I'm getting hungry.
Let's try. Maybe a little pepper.
You want to do the serving too? Or?
Off, yeah.
See, we're roughing it. What is tough?
Alles gut. I think we're
Ready
done.
to go. All right.
Let's eat.
See you next
Mangiare.
time.
Hey, we just got back from the trip. We decided to cut it one day short because it rained like cats and dogs all night, and it was a mud fest at our last campsite. So since it was only one more idea, we decided to head home. And as always, no troubles with the GWagon. Fun to travel with. We got a little dirt on it, but for my taste, not enough. So stay tuned for future travel. I hope the Unimog is going to be finished in 2 weeks, and then we'll have more on the Unimog and potentially more travels with either the Unimog or the GWagon. So stay tuned and see you later. Bye.